The world is being sold a $2.5 trillion space story. Look closer and the rockets barely show up. The number comes from a McKinsey source chart, and that is not published by NASA or a space agency, but by GlobalX, an exchange-traded fund provider. Well, the ETF firm's own footnote admits the point. Investors aligned with these sectors stand to benefit. Break down the McKinsey chart and the picture changes fast. Supply chain and transportation, over $500 billion. Food and beverages logistics, $400 billion. Retail and consumer goods, over $200 billion. But the category actually labeled space, rockets, satellites and launch sits at the bottom of the list, under $100 billion. McKinsey's original report, done with the World Economic Forum, is more careful. It splits the space economy into backbone, which is the hardware, the satellites and the launches, and reach as the industries that merely use satellite data. In 2023, backbone and reach were roughly even at about $300 billion. By 2035, reach is projected to pull far ahead, crossing $1 trillion, while backbone grows to $755 billion. Now that distinction matters. Uber using GPS is a reach, a grocer tracking a delivery truck is reach, and insurer pricing flood risk from satellite imagery is reach. Well, none of that is new industry. It's just old industry being relabeled with the space tag. Semiconductors, AI and clean energy have all seen their addressable markets inflated the same way by counting every downstream user as part of the sector. It is a well-worn method for building bigger and more fundable numbers. None of this means space is not growing. Launch costs have fallen tenfold in 2 decades. Satellite deployment is up, but the trillion-dollar headline is doing more marketing work than reporting work. When the fastest-growing slice of an industry never leaves the ground, the number isn't measuring the industry, it's just measuring who wants you invested in it.